here we have a holder. What's this device holding? It's holding a phone or a tablet. So it's a phone holder, tablet holder, suitable for tablets and mobile phones. So let's unbox it. It is inside the nylon, mobile and tablet holder. And it looks like this. It's a wooden element, it's bamboo. It has a longer and a shorter cut in it. On this portion is quite thin. And you can insert your phone there, and it is holding it like so. Now if it is a large and heavy phone, then don't place the large portion towards you because it might fall over. It's also removing the case. But rotate it and put the smaller portion towards you. And now you can watch something on your phone or talk to somebody. And the same thing for that one. If you have a tablet, you can put it not on vertical but like so on horizontal. And if the device is large and it can tip over, then the same thing. Put the smaller portion towards you and the larger one behind, and thus it's more stable. It's not lifting it up that easily. You can put it there also. By the way, if you have a thick phone or a thick case on that phone, then in that case the phone might not stay at an angle, but it might stay on vertical, something like that. Plus, take care not to push it down because it might break your phone. So avoid pushing your phone down. Now it's pulling off the case. This way it's much better. The surface is larger. This way the holding surface is smaller and it is pulling off the plastic case of the phone. So that's this phone and tablet holder.